Good morning students. Class 10 chapter number 8 exercise 8.4. In the previous video we have done third part of question number 5 which is very important, so please revise it again and again. Now we start question number 5 fifth part. It is also very important. In this question it is LHS and we have to prove is equal to cosec A plus cot A, and we have to use the entity cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. And in this question cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. It's compulsory. So firstly we convert LHS इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कोसेक एंड कोट, क्योंकि अगर LHS कोसेक और कोट की टर्म में है हम तभी इस फॉर्मूले को यूज कर पाएंगे. एंड कोसेक एंड कोट इन द बोथ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो कोसेक ए 1 अपॉन साइन ए एंड कोट ए कोस ए अपॉन साइन ए. सो इन द बोथ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज डिनोमिनेटर इज साइन ए. सो वी जस्ट डिवाइड न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ बाय साइन ए. Numerator and denominator both divided by sin A, so cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A. In the denominator also divided by sin A, so cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Cos A upon sin A can be written cot A sin A minus sin A 1 upon sin A. Yes, cosec A. Cos A upon sin A cot A sin A upon sin A 1 and 1 upon sin A. Yes, cosec A. After this we use the formula, but in this LHS there is not square of any trigonometric ratio. Then how can we apply the formula? We can apply the formula in the form cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1, यानी कि we replace 1 by cosec square A minus cot square A. So in the numerator firstly we write cos A plus cosec A in a bracket minus 1 in a bracket cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. It is the denominator, and in the numerator we just replace 1. हम यहाँ पर 1 को रिप्लेस करेंगे. तो फर्स्टली वी नोट डाउन कोट ए प्लस कोसेक ए इन अ ब्रैकेट एंड रिप्लेस 1 बाई कोसेक स्क्वायर ए माइनस कोट स्क्वायर ए, एंड डिनोमिनेटर इज cot A minus 1, sorry, plus 1 minus cosec A. In the numerator cosec square A minus cot square A, we can apply the formula of A square minus B square. So cot A plus cosec A minus, and we note down cosec A plus cot A in a bracket, and in the next bracket cosec A minus cot A, and the denominator is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. In the numerator we can take common cot A plus cosec A, and in the bracket, in the place of this bracket we just note down 1 minus, the bracket is common out, and cosec A minus cot A, and denominator is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Cot A plus cosec A in a first bracket, 1 minus cosec A, minus and minus multiply plus cot A, and the denominator is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So finally we observe that this bracket and this bracket, both brackets are same, so cancel out, and the answer is cot A plus cosec A, and it is the RHS. So finally we have to prove LHS equal to RHS. I hope the part is clear. Just note down. Okay students, now question number 5, sixth part. LHS is 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A and under root of this, and we have to prove sec A plus tan A. So we just note down its LHS, because the fraction is written in the form of in the under root. So first step we multiply numerator and denominator both by conjugate of denominator. So we multiply numerator and denominator both by 1 plus sin A. So 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Similarly 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A in the under root. Numerator is 1 plus sin A whole square, and denominator is 1 square minus sin square A. A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square, and it is in under root. 1 plus sin A whole square, and in the under root, when we replace the under root and square, both cancel out. So we just note down numerator is only 1 plus sin A, and the denominator is 1 minus sin square A in the under root. 1 plus sin A. 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. Cos square A. And we know that cos square A mean cos A whole square. So square and under root both cancel out, and the denominator is only cos A. Now just distribute denominator in both. So 1 upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. 1 upon cos A sec A, and sin A upon cos A, obviously tan A. And we have proved, and it is the RHS. So I hope sixth part is clear out. Just note down. In the next video we continue question number 5. Thank you very much.